Speaking about how successful our clients or partner doing their project that collaborate with us as a designer team. Example like Dennis, the Barefoot Villa, CB in Susan for the row resident, and this one is Mr. Wayan, Agus Parwita, as a founder for Gauri Karya, has been built 60 unit of Villa Baru. This is like a big record. This is compete with Dennis because they have the same typical setup, but quite different in the details and how they provide the finishing. That how the pattern of this project is quite similar, because from one design they do the same typical design but develop in some part, so they modify some part from 2-bedroom become 3-bedroom and become more bedroom as the requirement or the request from the client. So now we're going to discuss the project that owned by Gauri Karya, Mr. Wayan, and Villa Baru has been built around 60 unit. It's a lot unit. And we have modified many types, but same typical conceptual part. So it still has a character. If you said you see the 3-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and some other setup bedroom, it still has their own characteristic that in line together. So we will discuss the 6-bedroom. This is quite a lot because from 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom now it's become 6-bedroom, and we're going to discuss Villa Baru number 24 at Cepaka. Okay, let's start the discussion now about the project. So this one is Villa Baru 24. The land size is 394 square meter, and we have 6 bedroom. Can you imagine 6 bedroom in this size? I mean, like almost 4 area. It still makes sense. And because it's more like rectangle combined with triangle, the size, how the land shape, it still work out because it's still in the ground floor they have 2 bedroom, in the top floor they have around 4 bedroom, so it's total 6 unit bedroom. But the difference of the bedroom itself is quite significant. I will tell you later. Let's discuss about the size first. So the land size is 394 square meter, that's almost 4 area. The building is 153.8 square meter, that's for the ground floor. And the second is 162.7, so it's around almost 3.2 area or 320 square meter approximately. That's going to be the size of the floor plan. So this is quite matched with the amount of bedroom that's going to be applied here. The pool deck, we have 52.3, the pool itself 25.1, cabana, we have cabana 14.4, and for sure we have storage. The storage is quite small if compared with how many bedroom we have, but this is what the clients wants by Pak Wayan, so we provide this size of storage. The garden is nice, we have 100, so from 4 area or 400 square meter, we have around 100 square meters. So this is quite nice. 25% of the land it's still green. The parking space can be occupied by 1 car or 4-5 scooter, which is still nice and still okay. That was the size of the building. And I forgot to mention we have a balcony area that connected all the building. So it means it's not only 3.2 or 320 square meter, it's going to be more. It's almost 3.5 area of building itself from the ground and the top. We have balcony 28.8 and terrace 4.2 square meter. That's about how the amount of floor area that we applied for the building. Now let's discuss more detail about how we applied the layout. You can see we go from the right part to the left part because the access is on the right in drawing, and at the edge is going to be a riverside. We have a riverside on the side. From this entrance parking area, it's going to be integrated with the storage, but the access will be from inside, not from outside. On the parking area, this is something really interesting because this design is combined and modified by our team at Tabanan. Just to clarify, The conceptual, it has already the main part that still stays the same. But how everything changes is set up by our team there, leads by Yogi and Made there. In the front area, we have fish pond. I think this is a quite unique thing that we can see. It's not often I see fish pond on the villa. The entrance, right on the corner there, when you park, you go to the corner area and find the entrance. You can go straight forward to the pool area beside of the building, or in the back of the building, we will have another access to go to another building. So it's just like one big building, one medium building connected together by the balcony area. So that's about how the design works. So you go to the right side entrance and you will find the main entrance to the main building, and you have a pathway that goes to the other building. That's going to be the medium part building, which is going to be the bedroom. We have 2 bedrooms here. You can see on the top, the small building there. We have one master at the front part. If I said on the left top, on the right top is going to be the other bedroom. It's quite efficient if I said, because the bedroom itself only has a side or one side empty to put the bedside table, and the other is already attached to the wall. This is something that not really common in our design conceptual, because how to modify a villa, we always have a space side by side, which can be lids, or we can put something there like a bedside table or some decoration. But this is still by the client request, so we provide like this. So as you can see, the ground floor, we have a proper bathroom for each room, but the master is bigger for sure. It has 2 sinks, and the other is only like a small. I think this is going to be for the maid for sure. The maid or the person that's going to be work on this villa as a butler or a maid. And let's go to the main building area. We have discussed about the bedroom on the ground floor. From the entrance, we will find the kitchen on the left, and we have a shared toilet together there in between the building. So, but this is kind of awkward because we need to go outside if we want to use the toilet. This is going to be effective for both buildings, but not very effective for the main. So we go inside. We have a long staircase, like one line to the top on the right side. As usual, this villa I designed in purpose to not attach the staircase to the wall. So we have gap which can be used as a full window from bottom to the top. So from this area, from the kitchen and the stair, we go straight forward to the dining space. We got indoor storage under the staircase, and you go down to the living area, and you will find a big living space like L-shaped couch there, sofa with the TV area. That's for the living space. Let's go outside area. In the outside area, we'll find the decking space before the pool for sure. And we have, the pool is quite big here, 7.3. That's going to be the size of the clean pool area with the width 2.8. It's good. This is nice. This is a nice size. And from here, you will find the cabana on the corner, left bottom corner. That's going to be the cabana area. And you will have a staircase with the jacuzzi on the corner, left top corner. That's going to be a jacuzzi area. This is a very luxury villa. So it matches like 6 bedrooms, 1 for the maid, 5 for the guests and the family here. It's still good. That was the ground floor area. Let's see how we set up the top floor. So from the staircase that goes straight, we have a void area, which is really nice. If you use the dining space or the dining area, you will have a big void area goes to the top, which is really beautiful. And from this void area, we have an access to the main bedroom. So we have 2 master bedroom here. Master bedroom ground floor and master bedroom top floor. So master bedroom for the top floor is on the left of the drawing, that facing right to the viewpoint of in the back. So this is the master bedroom, the biggest one with it has an own balcony. When you go inside, from the entrance, you will find the wardrobe on the left, big wardrobe on the left, another wardrobe also behind the bed, and after that you will find the bathroom area. So this was the master. In the in the front area, above the kitchen is going to be the other bedroom. Same typical setup with the double sinks and proper bathroom with the dressing area. And this is also have a terrace area that leads the view to the front area on the parking or the street. And from here, how this building going to be connected with the other building or the medium building part on the 4-bedroom, you can see on the staircase, you can go, when you landing to the top point of the floor, you can go to the right side, which leads you to the balcony area that connected these two buildings. So you can go directly to the other 2-bedroom. We have bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. That was the setup that we applied. And this bedroom is quite, I think this is matched for the kids or the guests. But for the master, I'm not really recommend because how the setup is quite very simple, not very exclusive. So I think that's it for the discussion about the layout and everything. It's quite how can I say, not really proper for each bedroom, because you can see how the bedroom is attached to the wall. But this creates a lot amount of bedroom, which is going to be nice for a family package or like a big group that's going to be used this villa. And yeah, I think that's it. The discussion about how the layout and the size. 6-bedroom. This is the first time I discuss about a 6-bedroom. Maximum I discuss only or I review a design for 5-bedroom. And this is the break the record. Okay, to make it more clear, you can check now how the 3D and animation will be. Check this out. Okay, I think that's it for now. Villa Baru is heading successful and really proud of the team, how they done the job for Gauri Tabanan, and also very grateful for our partner Koridor Karya, especially Pak Wayan. And we hope it's going to be developed more and more because we have already 60 units. I hope it can be reached like 100 or more. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the other video from our channel Gauri Art Division Studio. Bye-bye.